Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to save song or the sound or audio from Instagram Reels. Alright, after you open your Instagram app on your phone, and then you have to choose the Instagram video or Reels that you wanna save the song from it. And I'm going to choose this reel, and then on the reel that you want to save the sound or the audio, you can click on this audio. You can click on the audio like this. All right, and then choose this button. Okay, and now the audio or the sound has been saved to our Instagram. And then if you want to use this song for your reels, just have to click on the saved song. Okay guys, that's all the tutorial from me. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.